Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide like count on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And now you want to go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen and click on your post. So for example, this one. So now you can see these three little dots at the upper right corner of your post. So you just want to click on that and click on hide like account. So now that your like count is now hidden. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.